Blair McNeill.
I know when it's going. We rolling?
We're rolling.
Alright, so I'm loading up my Ruger 22 LR here. I'll bring this back.
Yeah, you need to bring that back. Let's see how Allie did.
I hit it
4 times, that's good. Alright, let's take this off. Oh, you blasted off one of the things! Nice!
That's right.
Alright. Blair, what target do you want?
What do we got here? I wanted to go with Dean Shot CS. Oh, that one's already shotted.
Just another one.
Oh, we're going to the Kentucky bootleg.
Alright, let's go. Some moonshine.
You want to clip this off for me, Allison?
Here, hold this. Look, videotape it.
Yeah.
Hold it! Hold it!
What the fuck is that? Blair asked me to put it on.
I don't know. That's about all she was. No, you're not. She wrecked that.
She broke it.
Oops. Sorry.
Allison, you are.
Is that one mine also?
Oh shit.
Is that one mine? Is that my target?
What?
Is that my target?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
That's mine.
look!
That's mine.
What?
I did that one.
Did you?
Alright, yeah.
What?
I didn't replace it, and I reviewed it.
Oh.
Alright, so here we go. Maximum distance here. Oops. Get up the wall. I'm going to show you why I paid $5 for my eye surgery.
LASIK?
Yeah.
Here, let me. What's the matter, Blair? Jammed? World War II? The crowds are coming.
Like the true soldier.
Get it. Let's see what we got.